Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW 6 or 7 series guys. That should cover generation E63, E64, E65, E66 and F01 guys with a 6-cylinder guys engine, and you're trying to find where your water pump is located guys. Now if you have a V8 we'll explain as well, so make sure you stay with us until the end. Now it's very hidden location on the 6-cylinder engine. The V8 is more obvious and many of you will not even need help with that, but we'll cover that today. Before we start, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information guys. Now if you need to buy new pump, replacement parts, tools, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please guys check it out. Now let me show you what we have here. This is N52 engine that can be found in 6 series, 7 series in Europe guys. It can be found actually on 3 and 5 series as well. Before we start, okay, if you need to see mechanical videos on that engine, we have quite a few on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have so many videos guys that can save you so much money, and we have helped more than 69 million subscribers, so please guys check it out. All that being said, this is the engine. Okay, on the V8 guys, your water pump will be driven by the serpentine belt, so it will be super easy and you cannot miss it guys, right there. So you will definitely notice where your pump is located. You have the radiator hoses going towards the pump. And what about guys, okay, and the thermostat is attached to it as well I think. What about that 6-cylinder engine? Okay, you have the AC compressor, crankshaft pulley, power steering pump, alternator. Maybe you have a couple idle pulleys and a tensioner pulley, but you don't see any pumps, right? Behind that cover right here, it's a vacuum pump, which is not a water pump. So where is your water pump? I come right here, okay, and that hose is going to actually to the heater core. This hose is supposed to be plugged right here, so there is no pump. And then if you come on the bottom left side, you're going to notice that you have a few hoses, okay, right here. And all these hoses, they go to that black housing. The black housing is your thermostat. And right next to it on the right side, that circle thing, that guys, that cylinder is your water pump. It's actually guys electric water pump. Okay, it's driven by a 12-volt supply. It's not mechanical pump like they used to be in the past. We have a video on the channel how to actually test your water pump by manually activating it, and you can hear if it's running, so check it out. I'll even try to put the link in the description of the video below if I remember to find it, but I'll try to do that guys, how to test water pump on BMW, so check it out. In addition guys, okay, you will need to drain your cooling system, so I'll recommend use only BMW coolant because you have multiple seals and gaskets, and if you don't use the correct coolant you can cause damage to your engine, hoses, everything guys, so that could be catastrophic. And you have to bleed the cooling system. Number 2, you have to follow a certain procedure. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below how to bleed cooling system on a BMW, not very complicated. And once you do that, okay, you should be ready to go. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find where the water pump is located on a BMW 7 series. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help and see you guys next time.